Okay. Next math is 2014-15 question number 10 fund flow statement. Assets column for 2012 and 2013 and liability column for 2012 and 2013. This consists of fixed asset, investment, current asset like stock, debtors and bank balance. Current asset and current liabilities is creditors. Current liability is creditors. Proposed dividend, provision for taxes, all other workings of a general reserve, PL account and equity shares. And we have additional informations like during the year old operation theatre equipments worth rupees 90,000 was disposed at rupees 50,000. So we have to make a working ledger account on fixed asset. Provided depreciation 40,000 fixed asset, both comes under fixed asset workings. Making provision for taxation for the year 3,200. So we need another account, ledger account, working ledger account for provision for tax. And during the year interim dividend of rupees 10,000 and the directors have proposed final dividend like 50,000. So dividend of proposed dividend and interim dividend are written in here. First format is schedule changes in working capital. So current assets, stock, debtors, balance and current liabilities, creditors. Stock is 55,600 and 90,500. 55,600 and 90,500. So increasing, write in increase column 34,900. Debtors is 1,18,300 and 1,67,800. So it is increasing, so the increasing amount is 49,500. Bank balance 49,800 and 47,500 written here, and it is decreasing, so it's written in decreasing column. Total current asset for 2012 and for 2013. Current liabilities, creditors amount is 1,33,650 and 1,95,350. Liability is increasing, so the working capital is decreased 61,700. Total current liabilities is 1,33,650 and 1,95,350. Working capital is current asset minus current liabilities. So 2,23,700 minus 1,33,650, it is 90,050. And for 2012 and for 2013, 3,05,800 minus 1,95,350, it is 1,10,450. So working capital is increased in 2013. So it is increased 1,10,450 minus 90,050. So it is 20,400. So 20,000, if it is increasing, we write it in decrease column. So 1,10,450, it is 1,10,450. For increase column it is 84,400 and for decrease column it is 84,400. Information contains that during the year old operation theatre equipment worth rupees 90,000 were disposed of at 50,000. So fixed asset is one given that 3,72,000 and 3,80,000. We assume that operation theatre equipment is under fixed asset account, so we have to write to balance BD as 3,72,000 31st 3/12 and by balance CD 31st 3/13 3,80,000. So during the year an old operation equipment what to be 90,000 was sold, disposed of like 50,000. Disposed of means sold. By bank account sales is 50,000. 90,000 rupees equipment, if we sold in 50,000 we are in loss, so adjusted PL account loss on sale 90,000 minus 50,000 40,000. Depreciation is fixed asset given 40,000. We add the credit side 5,10,000 and minus 3,72,000. 5,10,000 minus 3,72,000, it is 1,38,000. This is bank account purchase, this is in balancing figure. Next, provision for tax during the year 3,200. Provision for tax for 2012 50,000, 2013 32,000. It is debit side, so by balance BD. In credit side, by balance BD 12 50,000 and to balance CD 31st 3/13. Adjusted PL account 3,200 it is given in workings. 3,200 it is given in workings provision. So PL account is 3,200. So 50,000 plus 3,200 it is 53,200 minus 32,000. 53,200 minus 32,000. In balancing figure, this is 21,200. This is provision for tax account. Now for adjusted PL account, 1,10,000 for 2012 and 60,000 for 2013. So by balance BD 31st 3/12 1,10,000 and 31st 3/13 16,000 for 2013. Loss on sale of sale of fixed asset 40,000. Loss on sale of fixed asset, it is there 40,000, right? Provision for tax 3,200. Provision for tax 3,200. Now interim dividend it is given that during the year paid interim dividend rupees 10,000. So 10,000 it is given, 10th mention 10,000, so we have to write 10,000. Proposed dividend, for proposed dividend it is given that proposed dividend of rupees 15,000 for the year 2011, so we have to write 15,000. It is given, that's why we have to write 15,000. Preliminary expense it is given 7,200. In 2012 preliminary expense all write off, so 7,200 write in here. General reserve 20,450 and 33,450, so 13,000 in general reserve. If we add the debit side, 1,88,400 minus 1,10,000, it is 78,400 in credit side in balancing figure. Fund flow statement, sources and application. For sources, sale of fixed asset 50,000. Issue of equity share capital means equity share 3,60,000 to 4 lakh. So 4 lakh minus 3,60,000, 40,000. Sale of investment sold is 1 lakh to 50,000. So 50,000 investment sold, we received the cash, so 50,000. Fund from operation, this is 78,400. Increase in working capital 20,400. Purchase of fixed asset in balancing figure, purchase of fixed asset 1,38,000. Payment of tax 21,200. Payment of tax 21,200. Payment of interim dividend, it is given 10,000, so 10,000. Payment of proposed dividend it is given 28,800, so we write 28,800. So both side, if we add the sources, 2,18,400 and application side 12,18,400.